Hello, YouTube. So I went to Zara to check their winter collection for 2025. And trust me, I was amazed the moment I entered the store. So watch till the end. I'm going to showcase the entire collection and is it worth it or it's just a hype? You'll know yourself. So let's begin. Why सबसे पहला I got my eye on this beautiful flannel overshirt. It was warm, it was heavy, but the price was a bit too much in my opinion. Then we moved on और ये shirt दिखी मुझे. It was good, but you can wear this in summers. It has this good print. Overall, it was a good shirt. Then we moved on. Then I saw this jacket. It has this horse kind of print. और ये ठीक ही लग रही थी मतलब आई एम नॉट दैट काइंड ऑफ पर्सन हु विल वेयर अ प्रिंटेड जैकेट लाइक दिस और ये बहुत एक्सपेंसिव भी थी. देन आई सॉ दिस स्वेटर. इट वॉज वार्म बट इसका प्रिंट भी कोई खास नहीं था. देन वी सॉ दिस वार्सिटी जैकेट जो पता नहीं अभी भी लोग पहनते हैं कि नहीं बट आई डोंट लाइक इट. बट इसका प्राइस बहुत चीप था. आई गेस इट वॉज अराउंड 2K. देन आई सॉ दिस क्वार्टर जिप स्वेट शर्ट and there were a lot of colors available in this. And it was around 3 to 3.5K, I guess. I already have this brown one, as you can see. मतलब color options तो बहुत है like grey, brown, black, navy, cream, and it's a good choice for winters in my opinion. मतलब तुम इसको बहुत तरीके से स्टाइल कर सकते हो और बहुत easily स्टाइल कर सकते हो. Then as you can see how it looks. Then I moved on and I saw this beautiful long coat. I know I can't wear this in my city, and but it's really amazing, man. Just look at it, how it looks. Oh ho. Then I tried it. Of course, I'm gonna try it. और ये ऐसा कुछ लग रहा था. I was already wearing a denim outfit, and this is how the coat was looking. भाई Peaky Blinders वाली vibes आ रही थी मेरे को इस outfit से. Then we got out and I saw this beautiful quarter zip sweater, not sweatshirt. And they also had multiple colors in this like cream, navy, grey, beige, brown, green, and I definitely tried this brown one. ये तुम ले सकते हो. इसकी क्वालिटी बहुत अच्छी थी and the look was pretty good. Around 3.5K का था ये, but I feel like it's totally worth it. You can style it in a lot of ways. You can pull formal, business casual, smart look. It goes with like every kind of vibe. So get this one. और quarter zip एक तो तुम्हारे पास अच्छा होना ही चाहिए, especially if you're aiming to dress classy in winters. So yeah, then we moved on and saw these sweaters. They were not that thick. मतलब तुम इनको layering के लिए पहन सकते हो, ऐसे इतना warm provide नहीं करेंगे. Then I saw these turtleneck sweaters. और ये अच्छे लग रहे थे. लाइक यू कैन डेफिनेटली बाय दिस एंड यू कैन ऑल्सो यूज दिस इन लेयरिंग पर्पजेस. अब इसमें भी तुम्हारे पास बहुत सारे कलर्स अवेलेबल थे लाइक रेड, navy, grey, black, maroon. Then I also saw some round neck sweaters. I feel like they were a bit overpriced as per the quality, and there were some more sweaters like some printed sweaters. और ये कुछ shirts and all भी थी, but the main course was the jackets. I mean, just look at this jacket. क्या प्यारा jacket लग रहा था ये. It was priced around 7.5K, but it was heavy. Like you can wear this in winters and look good, and also you won't feel the cold after wearing this. So let's try it on and see how it looks. And ऐसा कुछ लग रहा था ये भाई. I love this. Like ये one of the favorite pieces रहेगा मेरा इस पूरी वीडियो में से. So this you can definitely buy. और ये इसको तुम बहुत easily style कर सकते हो भाई. मतलब ये तो denim के ऊपर इतना अच्छा लग रहा है. Normally तुम इसको trousers के साथ, jeans के साथ बहुत easily style कर सकते हो. Then I also saw this jacket and it was really good. Like really good. क्वालिटी वाइज भी अच्छा था. प्राइस भी इट वॉज अराउंड लाइक 7 to 8K. और फिर ये शर्ट दिखी मुझे, ये भी बहुत अच्छी थी. Then I saw some cargos and some more leather jackets. When it comes to jacket, Zara is doing really good. मतलब 4.5 to 5K में मतलब तुमको ये leather jacket मिल रहा है. The quality was good and you have some good color options like black, maroon, brown, matte black, and I would say you can definitely buy these. Totally worth it. I mean H&M से तो बहुत ज़्यादा better. Then I also saw this ugliest leather jacket, so let's ignore it. भाई but इसके लिए तो मुझे एक अलग से वीडियो बनाना पड़ेगा. Zara का footwear is insanely good and you have lots and lots of options. Okay, let's start with these boots. It has this suede kind of finish to it, priced around at 6K. The quality was also good. Then I saw these beautiful black boots. It has this zipper and they looked really classy भाई. मतलब ये तुम definitely ले सकते हो. It will be totally worth it. Then you have some more option in boots. Also you have some derbies. मतलब डरबीज तो बहुत क्लासी लगते हैं. इफ यू वांट टू ड्रेस लाइक दोस Pinterest guys and if you want to like stand out in winters, तो डरबीज भी तुम ले सकते हो. क्वालिटी वाइज भी अच्छे ही लग रहे थे. लाइक you won't get any better deal at this price range. Then you have some more option in डरबीज. मतलब तुम डरबीज तो ले ही सकते हो. तुम ऑफिस में भी इसको पहन सकते हो और कोई फॉर्मल और कैजुअल इवेंट्स पे भी बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं. उसके बाद आई सॉ सम लोफर्स, like chunky loafers, penny loafers in black, in brown, and surprisingly I saw burgundy loafers. मतलब भाई ये तुम्हें बहुत मुश्किल से मिलते हैं. मैं ऑलमोस्ट हर जगह मिलते ही नहीं है ये. Also they have got these two-tone pair loafers in brown that looks really classy and can elevate any outfit. Then I saw some more loafers in multiple color waves. Also I saw some sneakers, like plain sneakers, printed sneakers, and some casual shoes. Zara ka footwear I think is really underrated and a lot of people don't even know about it. So if you have time and you are going to Zara, then do explore the footwear options. Then I saw some windbreakers, some more jackets, and also I saw some accessories like bags and caps also. These are also some underrated pieces that you can explore in Zara. Like this bag was really good. The quality wise, the look wise, you can definitely buy this during sale. Now I already explored the clothing and footwear, but there was still something missing, something yet to explore. You guessed it right, the perfumes. Okay, I'm gonna showcase some of my favorites because पूरा दिखाने गया तो वीडियो ही नहीं बनेगा. Starting with Tender Amber, it has notes like blackcurrant, rose, amber, saffron. It feels kinda inviting and warm. Also loved this Incense Sunset. It was warm, inviting, and kind of fresh. If you want something on masculine side, go with Blue Temptation. Vibrant Leather is also good. It has notes like citrus, bergamot, lemon, bamboo. It is a perfect balance of spicy and fresh. Then you have this New York, a perfect balance of woody and spicy. I loved this one. The Red Edition is also good. It has notes like orange, amber. It's warm and elegant fragrance, but it's overpriced in my opinion as per the longevity. I've already tried this antique brown before and this one is really good. It has notes like apple, coconut water, amber, woody, and it's priced around at 2k. Fashionably London is also a good one, but it's not a winter fragrance. You can wear it in daytimes or evenings. It has notes like bergamot, rose, and musk. So try it. Then we have some old ones like Blue Spirit and Green Savage. मतलब ये डे टाइम के लिए एक परफेक्ट फ्रेग्रेंस है. ये तुम डेफिनेटली ले सकते हो. देन यू हैव Zara's Tobacco collection. इसका तो मैं ऑलरेडी 3 सेट खत्म कर चुका हूँ. It has notes like vanilla, rum, tobacco, and it's a perfect like warm fragrance. Also they specifically launched vanilla collection. It has notes like orange blossoms and vanilla amber. I think it's a perfect fragrance for winters if you are looking for it. The combo is around 2700, but I would prefer Tobacco Vanilla over this. So that's it. That was the entire collection, and honestly I really loved it. Let me know what you guys think, and I will see you in the next one.